Hello and welcome to GeoFli, the internet's leading personalization software. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at personalizing Marietta Eye Clinic's website based on a couple specific locations. As you can see, we've just added the URL as it exists today, and quickly we're brought to this screen in the GeoFli dashboard. This blue indicator basically hovers over anything that you want to change on your existing site. So we've selected this background image. Now we're selecting the header and this intro header. Again, no CSS or real development skills required to do this. You can simply point, click, and create. Let's label this call to action button. If you wanted to, we do have some advanced features like this manual select, so you could actually go in and select divs, IDs, elements. Basically, that's used for video and some really custom stuff. Next, we're brought to the targeting and basically asking how can we change this content. So what I've done here is look up some of the different locations of Marietta Eye Clinic, and here's Kenton. So we could say, hey, anybody visiting the URL from that radius, what do we want them to see? Next, let's zoom in on East Cobb, for example. And this is one of our coolest features. So you can actually custom draw an area that isn't included in our radius library or isn't just a state or a county or a zip code. So here we've located the East Cobb location, and I'm going to draw kind of a rough parameter around this here. And I'm capturing all of the IP addresses within that location. Next, this is where kind of the excitement happens. So I'm going to replace the background image for anybody visiting from East Cobb, just pretending that perhaps lenses is something that that location specializes in. I don't know this to be true, but I'm just guessing for the case of this demo here. And I'm going to hit save. And now anytime anybody visiting from East Cobb visits Marietta Eye Clinic's website, that's what they'll see. Just a picture of glasses in the background, and just as a reminder, that's the default content there. And let's zoom in a bit more and let's change a bit more content based on location. So we're sticking with that East Cobb location. We know East Cobb, and I've changed a couple other things. So you can see that testimonial below the big hero image there. I visited the East Cobb location for Marietta Eye Clinic. I was so impressed with the service and the staff. Sarah welcomed me, and she was amazing. And so that's really as simple as it gets. You can make it live. You add that small line of JavaScript to our WordPress plugin, and you're good to go. Let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to hopefully talking soon. Thanks.